standard 7th. Now already we are there in the algebra chapter, that is simple equations. We completed exercise 4.1. In that we have learnt how to write the equation when the statement is given, and when the equation is given how to write the statement, that also we have learnt, and also to check the solution for the given value, whether the given value is solution or not. Okay, and finding the solution by trial and error method. Okay, now trial and error method is, you have seen already in the two problems I solved, it is consuming more time and having the more steps. Since this problem, that method is, I think, not in the much practice. Okay, then next what to do, how to solve. One more method we are learning, in that balancing the equation by adding or subtracting, by multiplying or dividing, by any of the method. How to maintain the variable. Okay, and we have to find out the value of the variable. One example I will take and show you so that you can understand very easily. See, one example, x plus 3 is equal to 8. Now here we have to find out the value of x. How to find out? Here along with x, 3 is there. How to send 3 or where to send 3? See here, to avoid 3 or to delete this or to cancel this 3, what we have to do? We have to subtract 3. See here x plus 3 is there. Here to make it 0, we have to minus by 3. Whatever we are doing here, same thing should be done even in the RHS also. This is adding here, sorry, not subtraction here. If it is plus 3, we have to write here minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 will become 0. Along with the variable, what number is there? No, that number we have to delete. Not just deleting, with some operations. If it is a plus here we have to make it minus. Plus minus neutralize or it will become 0. Whatever the number we are taking here, same number will be taken to the RHS also. LHS and RHS must be balanced. If we are taking here minus 3, here also we have to take minus 3. How to take minus 3? To delete this or to cancel this plus 3, we are taking here minus 3. Now what happened? 3 got cancelled. X equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. Yes. Now in place of x, verification you can do. In place of x you put 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is 8 is equal to 8. Yes, this is correct. Okay. One more example we will take. X minus 4 is equal to 5. X minus 4 is equal to 5. Then what will be the x value? Now see here, along with the x, what is there? Minus 4 is there. So x minus 4, opposite of this, inverse of this minus 4 is plus 4. Here also 5 write as it is plus 4. Why we have taken here plus 4? If it is here minus 4, we have to take here plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled. They will become 0. So x plus 0 is x only. So here x is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9. Now in place of x you put 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Correct? I hope you understood. Then same thing. 2x equal to 10. Here along with x there is 2. How to delete that 2? How to cancel that 2? Here multiplication is there. We cannot add here. We have to divide here. See, 2x divided by 2 is equal to 10 divided by 2. Here we are dividing by 2 means here also we have to divide by 2. 2 got cancelled, only x remained here. Here 2 ones are, 2 5s are, x equal to 5. Now here in place of x you put 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 equal to 10. We are balancing. This is, if multiplication is there, we have to divide. If division is there, we have to multiply. If addition is there, we have to take minus. If minus is there, we have to take plus. Okay. Now one division will take. X by 3 equal to 5. Okay. Now here division. How to avoid this 3? X by 3 into 3 is equal to 5 into 3. 3 got cancelled. So x is equal to 5 3s are 15. In place of x you have to write here 15. 3 1s are 3 5s are. So this is what method of just cancellation. This is cancellation method. We have to cancel, just we have to have one variable here. Along with the variable, whatever the things are there, no, we have to just go on deleting them by adding or subtracting, by multiplying or dividing. Okay. Now, no points for this. In the last exercise, I made you to mark some points. No marks, no points are there. Directly we will do the exercise. Okay. Now, exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. First one, give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. We have to separate the variable from the given number. So, first main, give first step and solve. I'll write, you write completely. Give first step and solve the equation. Solve the equation. Okay. First one. X minus 1 is equal to 0. See here, minus 1 is there. Then what we have to take? Plus 1. X minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. Whatever we are taking here, same thing we have to take it to the right side also. Minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled. Here x is equal to 1. This is the first step and solve the equation. Next, second one, x plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Here see, you separate this variable. Here to get only x in this side, what we have to do? We have to delete this 1. How? By subtracting 1. Here 0 minus 1. 1 got cancelled. So x is equal to minus 1. Next, see, x minus 1 is equal to 5. See here, x minus 1 is there. We have to take plus 1 here. Even in the RHS also plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled. So, x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Finished. Next, x plus 6 is equal to 2. See here, x plus 6 is there. So, what we have to take? Minus 6. Here also 2 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6. Go on. So, here x remained. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Next, y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. See here, y minus 4 is there. So, what we have to take? Plus 4. Here also minus 7 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 gone. Y is equal to minus 3. 1 plus 1 minus bigger number, sign will come. Next, F1. Y minus 4 is equal to 4. See here, y minus 4 plus 4 we have to take. 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 got cancelled. Y is equal to 8. Next, G. Y plus 4 is equal to 4. Y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4. Here plus 4 is there. So we have to take here minus 4. So here also minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 got cancelled. Y is equal to 0. Next, H. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Y plus 4 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 got cancelled. Y is equal to minus 8. So this is what the first main, all just adding and subtracting, adding, subtracting. Next main comes multiplication and division. See here, see if you are getting confusion, I am just putting the line. Next, give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Give first step and solve the equation. Okay. Then now first one. Sorry, A. 3L equal to 42. 3L equal to 42. Here see, multiplication is there. Along with the variable 3 is multiplication. We have to remove that. How to separate this 3 from L? By dividing. So 3L by 3 is equal to 42 by 3. 3 got cancelled. 3 ones are 3 14s are. So this implies that L equal to 14. Next, B. B by 2 equal to 6. See here, but division is there. So we have to multiply. Here also 2, here also 2. 2 got cancelled. So B is equal to 6 2s are 12. Next, C. P by 7 is equal to 4. See here, division is there. So P by 7 into 7. Here 4 into 7. 7 got cancelled. P is equal to 28. Next, D. 4x equal to 25. Here multiplication is there. So we have to divide by 4. 25 by 4. 4 got cancelled. X is equal to 25 by 4. Or you can write into mixed fraction also. 4 6s are 24. 6 integer 1 by 4 also you can write. Next, 8y equal to 36. This implies that 8 is here multiplication. We have to divide it. So, 36 divided by 8. 8 got cancelled. Y is equal to 4 2s are 4 9s are 9 by 2 or 2 4s are 4 integer 1 by 2 also you can write. Next, Z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. Here division is there, we have to multiply. Z by 3 into 3, 5 by 4 into 3. 3 got cancelled. Z is equal to 15 by 5 3s are 15 by 4 or 4 3s are 12. 3 integer 3 by 4 also you can write. Next, A by 5 is equal to 7 by 15. Here division is there, we have to multiply. A by 5 into 5 is equal to 7 by 15 into 5. 5 got cancelled. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So A is equal to 7 by 3, or in the mixed fraction you can write 2 integer 1 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Last one, that is H. 20t is equal to minus 10. Here multiplication is there, we have to divide. 20t divided by 20 is equal to minus 10 by 20. 20 got cancelled. 10 ones are 10 twos are. So t is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is what the second main. Okay. Next, third and fourth I will solve. You copy this. On the third main, solve the equation again. See, first one, 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. See, now we have to separate the variable here. Along with the variable n, 3 is there. Along with 3n minus 2 is there. First, we remove minus 2. Then how to remove that one? 3n minus 2. We have to take it here plus 2. 46 plus 2. So here minus 2 plus 2 cancelled. 3n equal to 48. So now again 3n multiplication is there. How to separate that one? We have to divide. So 3n by 3 is equal to 48 by 3. 3 got cancelled. 3 ones are 3 16s are. So n is equal to 16. Next, B, 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. See, first what? 7 is there. So what to take? 5m plus 7 minus 7. 17 minus 7. 7 got cancelled. 5m is equal to 10. Now 5m divided by 5. Here multiplication is there, we have to divide. 10 by 5. 5 got cancelled. Here 5 ones are 5 twos are. M is equal to 2. Then next, see, 20p by 3 is equal to 40. First, what here division is there, multiplication will take. 20p by 3 into 3 is equal to 40 into 3. 3 got cancelled. 20p is equal to 120. 43 is up. Now multiplication is there, again you have to divide here. 20p by 20, 120 by 20. 20 got cancelled. 2 ones are 2 sixes are. So p is equal to 6. Next, fourth problem in the third main. This is last problem. 3p by 10 is equal to 6. First we remove 10. How to remove 10? 3p by 10 into 10 is equal to 6 into 10. 10 got cancelled. 3p is equal to 60. Now 3 is multiplication. You have to divide. 3 got cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 20s are. P is equal to So this is what the third way. Next one is fourth way. That also the same. Solve the equation only. First one, 10p is equal to 100. 10p means here 10p divided by 10 is equal to 100 by 10. 10 cancel. P is equal to 10. Next, B. 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. First we have to remove this 10. 10p plus 10 minus 10. 100 minus 10. So 10p is equal to 90. Now 10p by 10 is equal to 90 by 10. Now p is equal to 9. P is equal to 9. Next, third one, p by 4 is equal to 5. Here division is there. We have to multiply. 4 got cancelled. This indicates that p is equal to 20. 5 4s are 20. Next, D. Minus p by 3 is equal to 5. Minus p by 3 into 3 is equal to 5 into 3. 3 got cancelled. Minus p is equal to 15 or p is equal to minus 15. This minus you can take that side and you can take the values like this. Next, 3p by 4 is equal to 6. 3p by 4 into 4. 6 into 4. Now 4 has gone. 3p is equal to 24. Now dividing by 3. 3p by 3 is equal to 24 by 3. 3 got cancelled. 3 1s are 3 8s are. P is equal to 8. Next, F1. 3s equal to minus 9. See here, 3s divided by 3 minus 9 divided by 3. 3 got cancelled. S equal to 3 1s are 3 3s are minus 3. Next, G. 3s plus 12 equal to 0. 3s plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 minus 12. So 3s equal to minus 12. 3s by 3 minus 12 by 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are. S equal to minus 4. Now still 1 2 3 4 5 problems are there. You can solve them. So remaining 5 problems you solve and understand them. Same like this only. Now by this exercise 4.2 completed. Okay. So the homework is exercise 4.2. Homework exercise 4.2. Remaining 5 problems you have to solve. Same like this only. Okay. Solve and understand, complete the exercise. Then the same thing you have to do in the homework book without seeing. Okay. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.